What's the meaning of Bisquick? Bisquick. Bisquick.
Bisquick. Bisquick. Bisquick is a brand of pre-mixed baking mix sold in North America. It was first introduced by General Mills in 1931 as a shortcut for making biscuits quickly and easily. The mix consists of flour, shortening, salt, and baking powder, all of which are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Bisquick can be used to make a variety of baked goods, including biscuits, pancakes, waffles, and even casseroles. It has become a staple in many households due to its convenience and versatility. In recent years, General Mills has also introduced gluten-free and organic versions of Bisquick to cater to a wider range of dietary needs.